Hello viewers, how are you all? Welcome back to our channel. How are you all? I hope all of you are doing very good. We are also very good. So today is Sunday and we are here again with a new vlog, and today we try to reset our body, mind and soul. It is very important sometimes to reset our whole body, mind and soul, because our battery gets low very fast in this hectic life. So it is very important to recharge our batteries and come back to the game of life with full energy. So today I will tell you 5 things that you can do to recharge your battery.
Number 1.
What we can do is, early morning, empty stomach, we should drink an immunity boosting drink so that it flushes out all the toxins out of our body. What we do is, we drink early morning, empty stomach, we drink a mix of aloe vera and amla juice in lukewarm water.
Number 2.
The next thing we can do is, every day everyone should have a bowl of salad, either fruits or vegetables, because raw food is very important to maintain the energy level of our body. And you can also add dry fruits in your diet because dry fruits are full of essential vitamins.
Point number 3.
Every day you should do one thing that makes you happy and makes your soul dance. Like it can be listening to music or dancing or writing something or drawing, crafting, stitching or cooking. Like my father, cooking makes him happy. Or you can also dress up and click photos if that makes you happy.
Point number 4.
Every day you should do at least one physical exercise. It can be doing yoga, it can be dancing, aerobics, weight training, meditation, breathing exercises like pranayams. So every day you should do one physical exercise to keep our body going. So we came inside because, as usual, our phone battery died because Jia is playing games in the mobile whole day. So the last thing I was telling, that I think it is the most important thing is to maintain a gratitude journal. A gratitude journal is very write the things you are grateful for in your life and the things that makes you happy. It can be your pet, it can be the people in your life, or it can be the very little things. It can be to get to eat your favorite fast food. I'm just giving an example, but yes, getting to eat my favorite fast food makes me very happy and grateful to my God. And so it is important to so it is very important to maintain a gratitude journal because it helps you to focus on the positive aspects of your life and ignore the negative ones. Of course, there will be some negativity in your life, but a gratitude journal helps you to focus only on the positive side. I woke up very early today and went to the terrace and did some breathing exercises and morning walk. Then I came back home and drank my aloe vera and amla juice and did some yoga. And now I'm very hungry. Since we had a very heavy dinner last night, luchi aloo dum, so today we decided to have a very light breakfast. So this is my breakfast spread in front of me. I have to assemble it. This is one of my favorite breakfasts and I hope you like it too. And also tell in the comments how many of you have tried this breakfast. Here I have muri, as you all can see. I will soak it in water. And here I have some dry fruits, some raisins, some dates, sugar, banana and my milk. This is a fun part for me. Washing the muris, remove the dirt and extra salt from the muris because you should not eat salt with milk. Let it soak for a few seconds and in the meantime I will mash the bananas. These are small varieties of bananas, but these are very sweet. My bananas are trying to jump out of my bowl. I'll better use my hands. My bananas are ready and now I will add the muri. My muris are super soft at this point, so they will soak the milk better. Now I will add my milk. Add sugar for taste. I will take only little sugar because both raisins and dates are sweet. Jia, you wanna taste?
Where is this?
It's so yummy. So guys, please tell in the comments, have you ever tried this recipe? So now we will show you our special dinner last night.
So let's see.
Here, mom is frying the boiled baby potatoes, and I don't know from where this black potato came. When I was peeling them, they were perfectly fine. The potatoes are fried to golden brown now. She will take them out of the kadhai. Now these spices will go into the oil. Cumin seeds, cinnamon stick, clove, cardamom and a bay leaf. Next she added the coarsely grinded onion, ginger and garlic. When the raw smell is gone, she added 1 cup of tomato puree. Next, she added the powdered spices, 1 tablespoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon red chili powder and 2 whole green chilies. She will fry this masala till the oil separates from this masala. She also added sugar and salt to taste. The masala is ready. Now she added the fried baby potatoes. She added some water for the gravy. And her final touch, garam masala powder. And it's done.
So finally, we are having our luchi aloo dum with sandesh.
The aloo dum
Yeah, how
was
is it?
so tasty, so tasty. Please try this recipe at home.
It's very yummy. So, this was all about our today's vlog. And if you like our videos, please like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so you get the notification whenever we upload a new video.
Bella ciao!